What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got something very nice, an off-road vehicle in the Hot Wheels premium casting, and that is this, the Toyota 4Runner from the Hot Wheels Boulevard series. Now this came out quite recently. I think it was a 2022 casting. And if you guys remember, obviously we've got this, the Mercedes-Benz, which is the one that everyone wants to collect. But I couldn't get this when I went to the store. They were out of it. So what I got instead is a 4Runner. Obviously, we've got a Mark 1, the Ford Escort. These two cars it was there in stock, but I didn't buy it because if you guys know me as a collector, I actually like to collect from different areas. I don't like to buy a whole complete set from one place. So what I did was I actually got the 4Runner and the Tommaso Pantera. Now this car, the reason why I got it is because I heard a lot about it. I heard that there was a lot of meaning to this car, and I wanted to find out what it was all about. So I actually got these two. We're gonna unbox the 4Runner first because I am a huge off-road guy. I absolutely love this vehicle. So we're gonna quickly unbox this car, and then I'm gonna show you. Just gonna do a quick walkthrough of the entire vehicle, and as usual, you guys know in the channel, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So recently, you guys, if you noticed, I've had a lot of success. My channel has been growing a lot, so I want to just take this opportunity once again to thank each and every one of you for making it happen. I think the past few months has been insane. You guys have been all so supportive and so nice, and also thanks for all the comments, for all the likes, for the views, and it just gives me the motivation to do more videos, you know. So I really appreciate all your support and help. And yeah, so there you go, we have taken the car out of the packaging. And yeah, so the car, like you guys know, I'm going to put this up against the wall as part of my display, so that's going to stay there. But we are going to talk about the car. Right off the bat, the car is heavy. It's one of the heavier castings, which makes sense because it's an off-road vehicle. It's big, it's chunky as well. That's what I would say, it's chunky. And then we're going to dive right into the whole review of the entire car. So right off the bat, the first thing I noticed is the paint job. And I think you guys will have noticed it because it's glistening. It is glistening under the light. So obviously it's not black. It has a very dark greenish hue to it, which is insanely amazing. And these contrasting stripes that go from I think this is the C pillar all the way to the front just adds a lot more character to this vehicle and just looks amazing. So wheels, they spin amazingly well. These are brown wheels, the brown 5-spoke wheels, 6-spoke wheels, sorry about that. 1 2 3 4 5. Yep. See, I don't know why I keep getting confused between 5 and 6-spoke wheels. They look so similar yet so different, which is just insane. Anyways, sorry about that. So these are very nice 6-spoke wheels with rubber tires, obviously rubber off-road tires, and this size gives this car so much of a character, you know. And besides that, obviously we've got the door handles right there. We've got a huge side mirror, a wing mirror if you insist, right here as well. The wheels spin amazingly well as well. And if we move to the front, here's where there are more details. Obviously we've got the Toyota, the 3 stripes on the right, on the left of it. Headlights, the headlights are not plastic, they're actually printed headlights. No complaints there. Could have been better, but you know, I would be okay with this, honestly. Obviously we've got the fog lights right there and the huge grille with the bumper, and this car just looks so nice. Obviously we've got a hood, and the entire hood is also painted in the amazing paint job, which I think, you know, Hot Wheels really knocked this one out of the park. And obviously we've got a hood intake right there. If you look at the left of the vehicle, exactly the same. There isn't much detail, unfortunately. You know, it's more of a normal car it doesn't have any like sponsors or whatever. So nothing much for me to talk about. If you look at this side, obviously we've got the same paint job, immaculate paint job. The wheels spin amazingly well. And we've got the stripe from the C pillar all the way to the front, the wing mirrors as well. And obviously the fuel cap is right here. If you look at the back, here's where it gets a little interesting because if you guys notice, the rear window is actually half open. Not sure why or for what purpose. Let me know in the comments, guys, if any one of you know why this is like this. I have no idea. Obviously we got a Toyota 4Runner logo right there, and if stripe right here, I have no idea what this stripe means as well, because you know it's quite repetitive throughout the entire vehicle, especially in the front, obviously the sides and the rear as well. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think this is. Obviously the side or the rear tail lights, those are printed on as well. The rear bumper, overall I think the car looks amazing. Let's just have a look through this angle. Just look at the car. Amazing paint job on this. I think Toyota did an amazing job. And if you look at the rear, I just noticed this is actually supposed to mimic like a spare tire, and they did it by, and the way they did it is to actually hide the rivet, the rivet through it, which I think is really a nice idea. But I don't understand why there isn't any decals or like threads for the so-called spare tire. I mean, there are like threads inside, because I assume that they really tried to put the spare tire at the bottom, but there isn't anything on the outside. Irregardless, I think that's fine. Just a very nice little detail to have the spare tire at the back. Obviously the base, quite a lot of details right here as well, and a lot of volume in the bottom of the car, which just really makes it look that much worth buying and keeping in the collection. And yeah, all in all, I think this is a really well done car. I mean, if you guys noticed recently, my videos I've been doing more premiums, because I have decided to focus on premiums more than main lines. And I think this is one of the better off-road premiums that there are right now. That's all. I don't really have much to say about this. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you want to point out to me about this car. I think this is an amazing car, and it's going to go well in my collection. And yeah, just like that, we're going to do few rating shots. I'll see you at the end. And just like that, guys, we've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I had an amazing time unboxing this vehicle. It is going to go insanely well in my collection. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Bye.